Summer desserts should be light and fruity and versatile, and this one is the one for you. So what we're going to do is start by cutting up any old fruit that you really like. You want to cut your fruit into pretty small pieces so that they get very juicy on the grill. Really nice and warm and almost like jam-like. And you can mix up the fruits if you want. I'm going to do this one, strawberries and blueberries. You can do strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you like. Just don't overfill them. Fill them right to the top. I'm just going to throw a raspberry in. It's gonna go crazy. Look at how beautiful that looks before it even goes in. Gorgeous. I'm putting these into cast iron pans because that's what can stand the heat of the grill. We're going to make the cobbler topping. We're going to start with 2/3 of a cup of regular all-purpose flour. I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of rolled oats, a teaspoon of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, leave it out, but gives it a nice little spicy kick. And we're going to do 1/2 cup of honey. I use honey, some people use brown sugar. I use honey because it's a really nice natural sweetener. And we got 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now what we're going to do is take 6 tablespoons of butter, throw it in. You could do this with a spoon. Why waste your time? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna mix it up with my fingers. So put a little bit of the topping onto each cobbler. Now look, it doesn't have to look perfect. This is a summer dessert, and you know how much topping everybody will like. It's going to bake on top of these gorgeous fruits. All right, we're ready to put these on the grill. We probably want it about medium heat. So in about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how hot your grill is, these are going to be ready. So you can see that the juices are bubbling right here with the fruits. That means that the juices are coming out, it's cooking. Remember, the skillet will be hot and people will want to touch it because it looks so amazing with all the juices coming out. You're gonna need a spoon for this one. That is comfort.